Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am still in my filming room, which is not a bad thing, to be honest, because I should be in my filming room. But the main reason is because of my lighting. I broke my lighting, so there's no way for me to film with great lighting in the bathroom. So here we are. So you guys, I'm here with another wig review from the beautiful one and only Alipearl hair. I'm super excited because y'all already watched the vlogs. Y'all have not seen me switch my hair up in such a long time, and your girl is about to close on a deal, so I need to make sure my hair is looking great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slip off this wig that I currently have. I need to go get a treatment and all of that, but I wanted to share with y'all this product. Jori, why is my kid up in here? It's like every time I talk, it's like an invitation for her to come and be in my space. But let's see how much noise she makes. But I found this black seed hair pomade, and I got like a little discoloration up there because of clearly wearing the wigs, being out here in the sun and all that. But I just had to do that so we can get ready to install this wig, because like I said, I'm super excited. So let's see what wig they have sent your girl. And this is how it looks as soon as you open the package. A nice little curly wig, or actually this looks more wavy. This is everything that's inside. And of course we have the HD wig cap. We have, is this a mirror? This is cute. This is something I probably can put in my purse. Please tell me some mirror. Please tell me some mirror. It's a, oh y'all, and it's super clear. Can y'all see yourself? Y'all, this mirror is so clear. Y'all know the mirrors that they be putting in the makeup palettes and you barely can see yourself. You look real foggy. Like, this is a good mirror. Like, this is a really good mirror. Thank you. I'm really putting this in my purse. ASAP. We have the Alipearl headband. We also have some lashes. We have the edge brush. And of course, our drawstring bag. Y'all, this pomade stuff smells so freaking bomb. So without further ado, let's go ahead. This is a HD lace small cap wig, 24 inches. People are always asking me, what is the cap size? Your girl's head is small. I don't know if y'all can tell, but your girl's head is small. So typically I do have a small wig cap. I love the fact that it is adjustable in most of the wigs that I get. So it could go on a medium-sized head, medium-sized person's head because of the adjustment. And I really could tell based off of how much I have to adjust the wig on my head if there's room for growth for someone else. But I'm already in love. Your girl is gonna look so pretty at her closing. Look at this. This is so pretty. Your girl needed this. I've been working so hard, been so freaking busy, haven't been able to do my hair, and Alipearl always comes through. Look at this. Look at this. It's already tinted. The part is just amazing. The lace is plucked to the gods. Like, it literally looks so freaking good. Now, I am going to have to get my scissors. I thought I had some scissors. As a matter of fact, I think I have my handy dandy. Yes, so let's get into the construction of the wig so we can know what's going on. It has the comb in the back, of course, and it also has this adjustable band right here, which is perfect, like I said, for me, based off how much I have to adjust it. If it typically just goes on my head, then it's for a small head. If I have to do a lot of adjusting, then it probably can range for an average size head to a small head like myself. And then if I have to also add this little adjustable strap things in the back, which does create tension. So I love glueless units because I don't have to wear them at night. But this may not be a glueless unit. We're about to find out right now. So we're gonna see. Hold on, let me get some time to get this together, and I'm gonna come back. Okay, your girl got the wig on. We got the wig on. We are putting her where she needs to be. Do y'all see? This is literally, like, if y'all didn't know this was lace right here, but y'all know that this is lace. Like, this is crazy. Like, this is some good freaking lace. And the hair, this is the first time. Is this? Y'all gotta let me know in the comments below. But I believe this is the first time in the history of me doing these wig reviews that I've ever put on a curly wig and didn't feel the need, or a wavy wig and didn't feel the need to wet it, because it literally looks so freaking good. Like literally looks so freaking good. Now, I am going to need some scissors because I am a scissors girl. Oh, here's, no, I looked up. So I have my spray right here. Hold on, let me get my wig band out from Alipearl. And I am going to actually spray this wig and set it in place because I have to wake up real early. Mommy duties call. Got to take the little one to their doctor appointments to get their school records. And I don't know why I chose 8 o'clock in the morning, y'all. Well, actually I had a closing tomorrow. So I was like, I can just get all my errands out the way real early. But the closing ended up getting pushed back by a day. But that's neither here nor there. I'm taking my Got To Be spray. I don't know where my wig spray went. One day it just disappeared. It just literally disappeared. I've never been able to find it again. And I keep forgetting to get it. However, I do have 2 big bottles of this. I was like, why replace it when I still can go through these? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pin this back so I can make sure none of the spray. Do I got another one over here? I don't see one. So I'm going to just pin it back like so. And then I'm going to make sure it's right where I want it. Then I'm gonna spray. Ooh, is it spraying? Spray it. I got my little towel right here. Make sure it don't make too much of a mess. Right? Because in this hot Atlanta heat, when it's 110,000 degrees outside at 8 a.m., I literally can, like, the sun will melt my wig by the end of the day anyway. So it'll just be able to easily pull, or I could just spray my water bottle on it and it pulls right up without pulling my edges. So I can still take the wig off. Y'all, I'm kind of all over the place. Okay, I think that should be good enough. So I'm going to just take that like so. And then I'm going to snap it in the back to let it sit just for a few minutes. Y'all see this? Like, I'm in love with the way the hair looks. I love this. Like, I think this is absolutely perfect for the style, the look, and everything I'm going for. Now, of course, y'all really probably would want to see it wet, so... But I love this. This is so freaking pretty. This is so pretty. It's super soft. Like, I don't want to run my fingers through it because no matter how great of a quality of curly or wavy hair is, it's just never a good idea to just be running your fingers through it. Like, that's crazy. So, I don't know. I guess we just sit here and wait. What do y'all think of this wig? Is it giving? Is it giving? Allie, you're giving the lace. Kind of cut all this lace off, and then I'll cut the excess as soon as I'm done because I gotta cut around the ear. But we can just see what this takes us to right now. Do y'all see that? Like, which side has the lace and which side doesn't? This is some really bomb lace. I don't know if they're like changing the quality of their wigs or what. They've always had great quality, so they're definitely one of my top 3 wig companies ever. And I'm not just saying that, like, y'all know I'm very honest, and y'all kind of can gauge when I really love a company because I will wear that hair everywhere. Like, y'all will see me really wearing the heck out of that style before I have to move on to the next. And Alipearl is one of my longest lasting styles typically whenever I install this. But I love this. Honestly, I think it's set because it doesn't take that long. Like, it literally doesn't take that long. Once you dry it, spray it, you're typically good to go. So I'm gonna just go around to the ears, my powder, and melt it into, y'all see the difference from this side to this side? Like, and when I wear my makeup, it's gonna look even more what it needs to give. But for now, this is what is going on. And then, like I said, you cut as close to the hairline as possible to get that extra wig out. Cut around the ear like so. Hold on, make sure you don't cut the hair now. Make sure you don't cut the hair. You gotta pull the hair back. Make sure you ain't cutting the hair. And then you can do that. And then this side should be good to go. Boom. Then if you wanna go back. Now, ever since I learned how to use the Got2b, I have started liking it a little bit more. Because I used to like that other wig spray, like, hands down. Like, I wouldn't even do the Got2b. But now that I've learned how to master it, it kind of comes into hand when it's a company like that I don't have. And if I was doing my makeup, I would just keep the edge band on while I'm finishing up my makeup. Hey guys, good morning. So it's actually the next day. I slept in the wig last night, got in the shower without my bonnet or shower cap, which I typically don't do whenever I have wavy or curly hair. Just let the water do what it does, the steam or whatever. Not soaking the hair, if that makes sense, but just letting it do what it does. I put my edge band on like I told you guys, so the wig is fully secure for the day with everything, y'all. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Next day hair sometimes looks better than first day hair, and I just absolutely love Alipearl. So thank you once again for partnering with me and sending me this wig. Now y'all already know what y'all need to do if you love this wig, and let me show y'all exactly what y'all are getting. Do y'all see this hairline? Like, do y'all see this? Like, I can't even take credit for this. The customization from Alipearl is always 10 out of 10. Like, they just always get it right. So if you love this wig, then definitely leave a comment below and let me know. Thumbs up this video, and all of the information for this company, all the wigs that are there, all the hair, all the products, everything that they offer will be in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. But don't forget to leave a comment first before you head on over to Alipearl's website and let me know one of your favorite wigs. Send a link of something else that I should try or that I should collaborate with from them next time. And yes, y'all, now your girl's feeling good. I got a lot of stuff to do, and now, like I said yesterday, I gotta go take my baby to the doctor to get her school stuff together. So I love y'all.